What?
She don't treat me like that, I don't want to be. She don't miss me like that, I don't want to be.
We about to go watch Miami Heat play, y'all. Hey, y'all.
So
We eating again. Do you got my tank top on? That's so cute. Oh my god. We eating again.
Oh my gosh, wait, Bella and Jacob. What was that?
What the fuck?
Did y'all see that?
She a little bop.
He they could have kissed. You were doing too much.
Bella OG bop. Bella the original bop. OB.
But we got Dave's hot chicken and we got the really spicy one, Reaper, and extra hot. So we're gonna. And we also got mac and cheesy.
Mac and cheese skis.
Reaper, and then extra hot.
Is he in Brazil?
I don't know. Look at how much they put Reaper stickers on here. Just to let us know it's the Reaper.
I opened it and then it was a little slice of bread. I was like, what the hell? But then I saw the slide.
Where's the slaw?
Oh, right there.
Okay,
I
that
ain't never
slaw
seen
looks
slaw
a
like
little
that.
off.
It look off.
I don't know about that.
We got Dave's hot chicken back at the crib too. But yeah, I don't really like that.
Oh.
Y'all don't feel like Twilight like I fuck with it. You feel me? What was you over here doing?
We're in a.
She never
I dropped a fork, dropped the knife.
But then I will get it. Why did you get a fork? Why didn't you pick it up with your... Well, yeah, you can get a fork now.
I thought that your slider was extra. Hot.
What do you mean?
This one is mine.
No, I didn't want my slider extra hot.
Oh, then why does it just say Reaper all over yours? And this one just says extra hot. I think I got it wrong. Oh, one extra hot, one Reaper.
Yeah, so it's right.
Okay, this is yours here.
Oh, yeah, I know. I don't know why I put all over there.
Okay.
Hey, how come they didn't give me sauce? Hey! No, I'm bad. It's whatever.
Wait, you have sauce or no?
No.
Oh, have some of mine.
It's fine.
What do you mean? You can have some of mine.
Yes, ma'am. You're so sweet, baby.
These are pretty huge.
I'm off of sex.
Shall we try it? Try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I use a fork too?
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Alright. Without the sauce first, y'all.
Cheers.
Cheers. Which one you just eat?
I have no idea. That's probably. I think I got Reaper because this one looks darker. I'm gonna take a bite of the other.
Hold on now. Y'all know I love spicy shit.
Let me try this.
That shit kicking. That shit kicking, baby.
What?
Are you good? It's not hot to you, baby?
It's hot, but it's not like crazy.
Yeah, I don't know.
Aw, you got spicy. I haven't seen you spicy like this in a long time.
Let's try with sauce.
Ooh, so cute. I think the first one I bit was the Reaper.
Really? Okay,
Cheers.
Cheers. I put a lot of sauce. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. What?
We'll talk to y'all later. She gonna take care of me, y'all. She gonna make sure I'm good. Try to slaw. I already need some water.
Slaw looks kind of interesting. It's kale slaw.
The hell, I ain't never seen that. It probably hit.
Okay.
It hit it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go crazy with this. It's so good. I actually like it. There's a
That is
place
good.
in Oakland, California that's called Hot Boys that's like this too.
It's just like that's
Yeah,
hot.
spicy, yeah.
I like this. This is good.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, you're tearing up.
Listen.
Are you okay?
Yes, it's just hot.
I'm trying not to kiss you. Okay.
It's okay. Let's go. Let's get in.
Bye, guys.
Bye, y'all.
Yes.
She ate the wrong one, y'all. And then she tried mine. I'm telling y'all that shit. Hey, that shit good though. I ain't gonna
And we
lie.
don't got water.
Yeah, we. It's okay. Gotta finish that though. We gonna finish it. We got it. We let it shit. No.
No.
Oh my god.
Okay. You're not even.
Oh. Yeah. Bye y'all. We about to suffer in silence.